Hello my dear, today I am going to discuss number system. In number system, how the base and different characters are going to use, and how many number systems are there, how to get the face value and replace value, and ultimately how to get the number if the different characters are combined together and represented. This is number system. In number system, we are going to see the basis. In this, we are usually using the decimal number system. Decimal number system is most widely used in our day-to-day life. हम लोग हैं सो नंबर सिस्टम में डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम को इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ एक दशमलव होता है, उसमें डेसिमल होता है, और दूसरी बात है कि वह 10 अंकों का बना हुआ होता है. डेसिमल 10 अंकों का बना हुआ, ठीक है. इसी तरह बाइनरी 2 अंकों का बना हुआ, ऑक्टल 8 अंकों का बना हुआ, और हेक्साडेसिमल 16 अंकों का बना हुआ. 16 अंक कहने का मतलब है, या 8 अंक कहने का मतलब है सिंबल्स. जो डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम है वह 10 डिफरेंट सिंबल्स से बने हुए हैं. बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम ओनली 2, और ऑक्टल 8 डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स और सिंबल्स से बने हुए हैं, और हेक्साडेसिमल 16 डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स और सिंबल्स से बने हुए हैं. इसको मैं बता रहा हूं आपको कि डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम है ये. पहला डेसिमल में जो है बेस क्या है हमारा 10, और बेस 10 है तो देयर आर 10 डिफरेंट सिंबल्स विल बी देयर. तो सिंबल्स क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ? सिंबल्स 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the different number symbols used in the decimal number system. Like that in binary करने का मतलब बाई मतलब 2. तो बेस इसका कितना हो जाएगा 2, और सिंबल्स कितने हो जाएंगे 2 ओनली. तो 0 और 1 के द्वारा रिप्रेजेंट होता है बाइनरी, जैसा कि हम लोग जानते भी हैं. ऑक्टल करने का मतलब है कि 8. There are 8 different symbols represented into this number system. So the base is 8, and the different symbols are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In hexadecimal, here it is 16. Hexa मतलब hex 6, and decimal मतलब 10 और 6. 16 symbols will be there, and we are going to use here different symbols like start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. But this is the combination of these digits. So we are going to choose the different numbers, different symbols कहिए, symbols like A, B, C, D, E and F. So there are 16 symbols here. Symbols and different characters we are going to use here. Okay. Now how you are going to represent it? In number system, just I am explaining it through an example. Like decimal number system 5, 6, 2, 7 in 0.357. Like that, any number is there into the decimal number system. You see, each digits have the symbols represented into the decimal. That symbols it is combined together with decimal number and it represents the decimal number system. Now here two things are there. First one is the face value, and second thing is place value. The face value, what we are going to see here, this is 5 is the face value, 6, 2, 7, 3, 5 and 7. These are the face value. But what is the place value? Place value determined by the base and their radix and their power. You see, in बच्चों की क्लास में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है कि यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं तो इकाई, दहाई, सैकड़ा, हजार करते हैं, तो इकाई बनेगा कैसे भाई? तो उसके हिसाब से अगर देखें तो 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, like that इकाई. 10 to the power 0, 1, 10 to the power 1 is tens, 10 to the power 2 is 100, and 10 to the power 3 is 1000. Like that we can represent here, and this is known as the place value. In decimal part, because from decimal is the pivotal point, from there we can start from the 0, 1, 2, 3, like counting, start from 0, and from here already 0 is there, so we can go further with minus symbols. Minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, or 10 to the power minus 3. Like that it is the place value. Now how we are going to get the number, that is important. So the formula is saying if we are going to sum up all the corresponding digits face value and multiplied with their place value, we get the number. How? You see, we are going to write here the 5 into 10 to the power 3, the place value, plus face value 6 into 10 to the power 2, plus 2, face value 2 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 1, plus 7 into 10 to the power 0, plus 3 into 10 to the power 10 minus 1, and plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 2, plus 10 to the power minus 3. Sorry, 7 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now if we are going to sum this value, we can get here like that. You see, पहले solve कर लें इसको हम. तो 5 10 to the power 3, 5000. Here plus 6 to the power 2, 600, plus 2 to the power 10 to the power 10 to 20, plus 7 into 1, 7. You know that any number have 0 power, its value is 1. Here 3 by 10 plus 5 by 10 100 plus 7 by 1000. So this part you see here, it will be 5627. If you will sum it, equal to, and point, and here we are going to see here what is the value of this one. So from this one, if you solve it, 3 by 10, take LCM 1000. Then this one is 300, plus 550 plus 7 equal to 5627 plus 350 357 by 1000 is equal to 5627.357 because 1000 से भाग लाएंगे तो रेजिस्टेंस इधर शिफ्ट करेगा और यहाँ आ जाएगा. Like that we are going to represent the values. Okay. Now how we are going to frame the generic formula here, like how to represent the number system. For that we are going to use here one formula. If the number is n, if number is n, here number is n, then the integral part, for integral part we can see here is sigma. This one is the face value into r means radix, r to the power n, I to the power I, where I equal to 0 to n. And for integral part here, this one, a fractional part, we write here sigma if we face value into r to the power minus m minus j, where j equal to minus 1 to m. If you will sum it, we can get the actual number. So this is the number system formula, and it will be applicable in any of the number system. In binary also you can apply, in octal also you can apply, and hexadecimal also you can apply it. So in next I will see how this formula will be applicable to all the number system. Okay, thank you.